How to use COVID-19 symptom checker tool on Reliance Jio and Airtel. Despite the fact that the Aarogya Setu app has become mandatory in all sectors, private players have recently launched their own COVID-19 tracing tools. The operators have taken several steps to help their customers. The telcos have announced free incoming calls, Rs. 10 talk time, and cashback offer. The operators have also launched apps that can trace the risk of getting a virus along with some steps that will help you to stay safe. If we talk about Airtel, then the operator has tied up with Apollo 24/7 to launch the symptoms checker tool. On the other hand, Reliance Jio has launched this tool on its My Jio application in its tools segment. However, there are steps that you have to follow to use these tools. Step 4 then, you need to give details about your age, gender, current body temperature, any symptom, and travel history. Step 5, after that, you'll get to know your details. And then you can decide that you need help or not. Step 3, after that, you'll see 5 sections, such as symptom checker, test centers, statistics, FAQ, and a helpline number. Meanwhile, the Aarogya Setu app has crossed more than 100 million downloads in the country. And the number is expected to increase further in the coming days. To stay updated with latest technology news and gadget reviews, follow Gizbot on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and also subscribe to our notification. Text source, gizbot.com.